Hey, it's Ramey here at the UMI Performance Race Shop with another product spotlight. I'm here in front of the UMI 3037, which could be one of my favorite products. It's for the 1978 to 1988 GMG body, trailing arm, Roto-Joint, adjustable, heavy duty. So the Roto-Joint is great for street and autocross and drag racing and road racing use. So it does everything really well. It has a double shear adjuster, so you crack the jam nuts, turn it on car to change your pinion angle and your lateral location. And of course the mount is heavy duty on the axle, so you're never gonna have any trouble with this product. On our Cutlass build, we pair these 3037s with the double adjustable Roto-Joint 3043 rear lower trailing arms, which once again do everything right. They're race capable, street capable, and anything in between. If you have any product related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.